original one from 2004. So that's how many years? 20 years. That plastic would have, you know, probably wouldn't have held.
So this is identical to that.
Well,
and that broke.
These are plastic.
But that should look like this.
Yeah, there's no gear. All the pieces.
So this is metal and this is plastic.
Yeah.
So now, because that broke, you don't know if the timing belt is in the right position.
Exactly. I don't know if these are in the right position, right? I mean, you got the marker here. This should be up. This one should be up. Or, yeah, up.
Okay.
Yeah. And these two hashes should be right there.
So if you were to spin this around, all those marks would be all up if it was correct?
Yeah. Well, they will match.
This would be all up?
Yeah, this would be up right here. Yeah.
So this would be 12 o'clock. This would be 12 o'clock. All of them would be 12
this would be 12 o'clock right here. Wait, this two hash. This should be right here. Yeah, these should match up.
Oh.
So top dead center.
Okay.
Yeah. So this one is the questionable one. I don't know if I want to rotate this, put it top dead center right now, or just wait until I'm down. I'm gonna pull the heads anyway, so it's a moot point. Once I pull it, right?
Does this car have like interference with the?
Yeah, it does have this interference too.
So there's a possibility if you spin it, you can damage the valves.
Yeah. And not to say they're not damaged already. This is cracked, right?
Okay.
So it was in roller, so the engine stopped. Something had to create the torque right here to crack that
okay.
thing.
So why are we taking these things out now? You said it's easier now.
I'm not taking it out. I'm loosening the bolt. It's easier to do it because it's already
connected.
It's connected, and you got areas that you can leverage with your strength versus on the engine.
So you're talking about like this bolt right here?
Loosen it, yeah.
So what's stopping you from using the impact gun and opening it?
Oh, it's gonna strip these. These strip really easily. It's really thin.
Oh.
Right.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
All right, got it.